Hello everyone. Today we are going to do practice set 3.2 fifth problem. We have been given two triangles over here, triangle ABD and triangle CBD, and some information has been already given on the figure. Seg AB and seg CB have been marked with the same symbol, which means that they are congruent. Also, seg AD and seg CD have been marked with the same symbol. That means they are congruent or they are equal as well. So let us first start by writing seg AB is congruent to seg CB of the other triangle. And that is given. I always have to write reasons. Seg AD is congruent to seg CD of the other triangle. It's also given to me. Now, I always need three parts or three elements to prove two triangles to be congruent. And the four tests that I have are SSS tests, SAS test, ASA test, and hypotenuse side test. So here, I know that two sides are congruent. So I need one more part to prove that the triangles are congruent. I can see that the way the triangles are arranged, now you can, here you can see them separately. This seg BD is common to this yellow triangle as well as this green triangle. And the figure shows that the seg BD exactly overlaps with seg BD of the other triangle. So such a side of the triangle is called as its common side, right? Because it exactly overlaps, it indicates that it's equal to each other or it's congruent to each other because it is exactly overlapping. So I say seg BD is congruent to seg BD, and my reason is common side. So I have shown that one side of the first triangle is congruent to the one side of other triangle. I've shown another side is also congruent to another side of this triangle. And I've shown that the third side is also congruent to the third side of the second triangle. So I've shown that all three sides are congruent, which means that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by SSS test. So that is something that we were supposed to prove, that these two triangles are congruent. We proved it by SSS test.